this video, we'll learn how to use the app called Office Lens to photograph your artworks before you submit it to Schoology. To take pictures of your artwork using Office Lens, you simply point the camera at your artwork. Now, as you can see that there's an orange frame surrounding the artwork. That's what's going to be captured by Office Lens. Once you're ready, you take the photograph, and that framing is now white. Simply accept it, and it'll process it, and it'll capture the image and save it to your gallery. Now, what if it doesn't align with the orange framing? In this example, we have two white sheets of paper. Now, I'm having a hard time framing the artwork, so I take the photograph. What you can do is simply crop it and move the framing into the area you want it to be. Now, as you can see, when you hit the corners, you'll get a magnified version of it. Once I'm satisfied, I simply accept it and save it to the camera roll or the gallery. And that's pretty much it, so I hope this video helps.